Black Friday is near and our deals are finally here. We are delivering 14 plugins designed to make your Divi sites flow, including the powerful DiviStack Pro. We are offering 3 deals made to match your needs: on-time payment for lifetime power and speed. Deal 1, one site for $99. Deal 2, 100 site for $149. Deal 3, ultimate sites, $249. All 3 deals include future plugins, updates, and support, and our plugin will keep your sites sharp and ranking high everywhere. What about Divi 5 support? Every plugin will get a Divi 5 ready release that will ensure that your Divi sites are updated and running with ease. Refund if you don't like it after the purchase? Yes, 100% money back guarantee. No question asked, 30 days to reclaim. Full refund guaranteed, simple and plain. DiviStack Black Friday, the best deal inside? Grab it now and take your site to new heights. On-time payment, lifetime power, and might.